Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to change audio language on some YouTube video. As you know, not all YouTube videos have it, but let's start the video and we will see it. Go to Play Store first and check if your YouTube is up to date. As you can see, mine is. I will open it and search for Mr. Beast. Now I will go to his last video, for example, and when I click on the settings button, you can see audio track option, English original, and all the languages that he translated it on. I will select maybe Russian. As you can see, it changes at the moment. Arabic. And it is that easy, my guys. If you like this video, if I helped you, I wish you all the best, and please drop a like on this video. Until next one, wish you all the best. Bye.